Hi guys, alright, welcome back. So today's a bit of a better day, so it's nice and sunny. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to replace the LED light bar that's on the back there. Alright, so that's the light bar there. Got a few LEDs out, which I'll show you in a minute, but it was up there, but I took it off to spray the bumper. So I'll show you them in a minute. So there's the light bar there. So as you can see, it's got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs out. So we're gonna change that one. It did come with it already fitted when we bought the vehicle, so it should just be a case of plug, undo the connectors and everything. So I'm not going to go into too much detail with it. So it'll just be a quick swap over and that's it. So that's the light bar there. It's a Willpower 90 watt LED light bar. So it comes with all the fixings there. And that is the light bar there. So that will just go up and plug in straight underneath where the other one is. So yeah, so that's it. There, so that's all the wiring there. So I'll disconnect that and it will just plug and play straight through. There we go, so that's it all fitted. Alright, so let's see what that looks like in the dark. But yeah, happy with that. So there's the light at the minute, and it's currently 6:45. Alright, so we'll come back when it's a bit darker. So this is the reverse light. So it's got a good beam on it. So there we go. So that looks pretty good, because we know the reverse lights on these aren't that good. So highly recommend fitting a light bar to the reverse. There we go. So this is 8 o'clock. So that's the beam. So it looks pretty good.